much for letting us come.
The fitting was very quick, and it was all finished in one day. And they tied it up and cleared up, and it was very good.
I like it now. It has taken me a time to get used to, and that was mainly because of the lack of light from the roof, which obviously you're going to get a lack of light, but it did affect 2 of our rooms. But you just have to get used to it, and what I do is I keep the blinds open as much as possible, and we get extra light in, and I obviously use lights a bit more in the kitchen and the study area, but it's minor compared to what we have now got.
That's really good. I mean, yes, it does take getting used to. My wife wasn't sure about it.
Before the roof, we wouldn't really use this room a lot during the winter months, because if we put the heating on, it would all go through the roof. And in the summer, if it was hot, you couldn't use the conservatory either, because it was too hot. It was unbearable. So what we now have is we can use the heating. It will probably be on for about half an hour to an hour to heat up, and then that's it. It's warm, and it keeps warm for most of the day. And in the summer, we had that beautiful last year, that lovely hot summer. We could still use this. It was still another room, and that was great.
It cuts down on the noise from the rain, so we can use it a little bit longer if it is raining. And the general noise outside as well is just a lot quieter than it used to be. There's no noise from the wind, which perhaps used to rattle the old roof.
Okay. So it was polycarb, wasn't it?
Yeah, polycarbonate. It's more pleasant in the sunshine because you don't get that glare coming through, which you had in the past.
Say 80%, 90% of the time we're out here.
Again,
I did clean it last year sometime, but it hardly needs cleaning.
Do you think at the end of the day it's a wise choice in the end?
I think it is, because it's given us this room. It's given us another room. I didn't want to go through all the problems of having a proper room built, going planning permission and all that, and having a builder or anything like that. But just having someone who spent one day redoing our roof and giving us back, or giving us a large room.
Having this conservatory, has it made you want to decorate it more? Like, you've got new furniture, haven't you? Has it made you want to
we have wallpapered, so that's something that we didn't have before, which makes it slightly more pleasing to the eye than just paint. This settee came out from the other room when we got a new settee for so no worries about that. Compared to the polycarbonate, when it did come to cleaning it, it does make it a lot easier, because you know that you can put some weight onto it, whereas the other one you wouldn't have wanted to do anything like that.
You go through it, wouldn't you? I wouldn't want to stand on polycarbonate.
But this one isn't a problem.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay. I can walk across the end of it if I wanted to.
That's wonderful. That's good to know. That's good.
I now think it. I was always in 2 minds, but I wouldn't do without it now.
We had a small party on Saturday.
Oh, did you?
And there was 15 people here. It was spread between the 2 rooms.
Which you might not have done before, or wouldn't have felt so comfortable doing, perhaps.
No one would want to come out here.
No. And we pride ourselves on our installers. They only work for us, and they're very conscientious. So did you find them to be like that? Were they very helpful?
Yes, very good.
Good. So no problems there.
I didn't deal with any of that. That was his problem.
Good. So was it everything we promised it would be, pretty much?
I would say yes.